Hi, welcome back. Have you ever deleted a video you don't want to on Windows 10? How can you restore it? Look, here's a video, and I accidentally deleted it. Meanwhile, I cleared the recycle bin. What should I do? Don't worry. ICSoft Data Recovery has got you covered. Step 1. Download ICSoft Data Recovery from the link provided in the comments section. Step 2. Choose a disk that you may delete your video and click Start Scan. It may take a few minutes. Step 3. Now you need to choose your file type from the type list on the left. Select all the videos you want to recover and click Recover. As you can see, this is the video I deleted just now. Alright, if you think this tutorial is helpful, please share it with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button.